Hello and welcome to another video on quadratics in completed square form. In this video we'll look at an example of where the quadratic is in the form of x squared plus bx plus c. So let's say we have, for example, x squared plus 4x minus 2. In this case we have b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 2. So what we would do here is we create this little framework. So we have x and then there'll be a gap and then we'll put the square because these brackets will be squared. We need to remember that minus 2. But first things first, what we need to do is we need to halve that value of b, and it's a plus 4, so half of that is plus 2. Then we need to subtract the square of that half, and that is equal to 4. And we also, remember, we have the value for c, which is minus 2. So that's what we're left with here. So let's just tidy it up a little bit. So x plus 2 in the brackets squared minus 6. So we can kind of test this out a little bit, and we can have these brackets expanded, x plus 2 minus 6. So let's fold this out. We're left with x squared plus 2x plus another 2x plus 4 minus 6. Again, let's tidy this up. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 2. So we are left with what we started with. There we go. Right, let's try another example. So let's say we have x squared minus 6x plus 4. So in this case, the b is equal to minus 6, the c is equal to plus 4. So what we would do is we would halve that value of b, and there's a minus sign there, so it'll look like this. We will have x minus 3 squared minus the square of that 3, so that will look like this, plus 4. So let me just reiterate there. So we're halving that value of b, which is minus 3. We're then going to take away the square of that. So that leaves us with minus and then this square here plus the 4. So that would equal to x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus 4. Again, let's just tidy a bit further. And we're left with the x minus 3 in the bracket squared minus 5. Okay, so we can test this out. We can just double check that we're happy with this. So x minus 3 minus 5. So let's fold that out. So x squared minus 3x plus 9 minus 5, x squared minus 6 plus 4, and that is what we started with. So we're happy that that checks out. Okay, so thanks for watching. So that was quadratics in completed square form. In this case, it was x squared plus bx plus c. And in the next video, we will be looking at ax squared plus bx plus c. So there'll be a coefficient for that x squared, and I'll show you how to work with those. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Again, if you have any questions or comments, do throw them in the comment section, obviously. And I shall see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.